together, but I do believe she meant it when she told me to forget it, and I bet you will forget it when you find me in the morning, wet and drowned, and the word gets round. I'm going down, I'm going down. I'm coming up for air, it's pretty stuff under there. I'd like to say I didn't care, but I forgot to leave a note, and it's so hot to stay afloat. I'm soaking wet without a boat, and I knew I should have taken off my shoes. It's front page news, going down, going down. Way downstream. No, this has to be a dream. If I could find my way to shore, I'd never do this anymore. Like if you feel I've been down, I'm going down. It's one more time, going down. I'm going down. Going down. Just floating lazy on my back. I never really liked that town. I think I'll rather